friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have a beautiful, gorgeous highlight curly wig to talk about. Take her in. She's giving fall vibes, fall energy. Today's hair sponsor is Afsister. I have collaborated with them a couple of times on my channel, and most recently, not too long ago. Beautiful wigs, guys. If you want top quality, silky smooth, good lace, beautiful hairline, like luxury feeling wigs, go to Afsister. Today what I have installed is an 18-inch frontal wig. This is the highlight color. This wig is absolutely beautiful. This is in the loose deep texture. This wig is called the Gemma wig. Now the thing about these highlights in particular, it is layered. You can see in the inner sections there are some highlights. If you part it, you have highlights all throughout, which is very, very pretty. It is beautiful. Look at that deep part. Yeah. We're gonna do the lace tint. If you have a big head, this wig would be great for you because it is big head friendly. That's looking good.
I want your heart.
This is the gel that I'm using, it's not glue.
I want you for myself.
This will give you a couple days hold if you do tie it down.
So tell me you miss it. Or tell me.
Just a little melt. Just a little quick melt. And then I'm gonna melt her down quickly with this really tight melting band.
Man, I'm not surprised. I really thought that it did different, but showed you.
Okay, so anything that's like, you know, icky, white cast, go in and clean up with a damp rag.
Hope you know when I go silent, I'm never going back to your face. It's only gonna cost for you.
Oh, hey y'all. Guys, my camera overheated and the Ghost from Edges Past had to come and assist because I was struggling. I was struggling with these edges. I don't know why. I just didn't know like what I wanted to do. I did too much. I did not enough. So basically, here we are. This is what we're working with, okay guys? If you want an edges tutorial, I am not the girl for you. But we got here in the end. Now we're just doing the last portion, the last little bit.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I...
At some point, we just gotta move on, right? Spray it down a little bit and add some gel. This one in particular.
Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will
go in with some powder. is the finished look, you guys. We have a pretty full-on baby hairs on this wig today. But let me know what you guys think. This wig is slightly big for me. I would have preferred to go down one size. I'm gonna come back when the wig is all dried, and then we're gonna close off the video and give my final thoughts. I don't know, it's just giving fall vibes. I love fall for this reason in particular, because we get some of the most beautiful tones in wigs, and I love the curly wigs where it has like these tones. But guys, it's a beautiful hairline. You can wear this wig up if you wanted, like so. It is gorgeous. Let's see if we can do a little half up style with this wig, because yeah, this hairline is chef's kiss for sure. Look at that. So cute. Oh my god, you guys, this wig is super cute. The parting space goes all the way back there. It's really deep on the sides as well, so you can do whatever look you want. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And I definitely recommend this wig. It is beautiful. It's giving really cute. It's giving that's her hair, and nobody can tell me differently. Anyways, guys, those are my final thoughts on this wig. Definitely recommend check them out before you go. They make some of the most beautiful wigs I've seen, especially like when it comes to curly wigs. I got to go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.